Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be upgrading this MK7 Golf R Estate with Milltek exhaust system and the full 5-piece Racingline intake. So the Milltek exhaust system we're fitting to this car is a catback system. So this particular car doesn't have a GPF in it, and it also has the polished silver tips at the back. So it's going to improve obviously the sound and the aesthetic at the rear. And then of the 5-piece intake is going to replace the whole entire intake system on the car. You've got the actual airbox intake itself, you've got the turbo inlet hose, you've got the 90-degree inlet, the coolant hose, which is rerouted underneath the intake, so it's no longer sitting over the intake, which was quite ugly, and then also the turbo muffler delete. And this particular customer has already had installed some aftermarket software. I'm speaking to him this morning, he's not really sure what software it is, so he's requested us to put it on the dyno and see how much power it makes as well. So yeah, this is what the exhaust system sounds like now. And then this is what the intake sounds now. And then at the end of the video, we'll show you what the intake and the exhaust sounds like. So we'll see you at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.